All right, I was given these pieces of pine to cut unions out of, but the problem with staining one side of the board, you get this beautiful cup. Now I'm gonna try a trick here with an iron to flatten it back out, but this guy is gonna be tough. All right, for this one, we're gonna apply steam through a towel to the back side of the cup where we have a hot iron. It's as hot as it gets. It's going to be a lot of steam. Trying to reinduce moisture into the wood and flatten it out. All right, here we are, 2 days later. Let's see what happens. So this one I applied to the top, that one I applied to the bottom. Maybe a little change, not a lot. I feel more comfortable carving on it though. Again, you can see just a little bit here, a little bit over there, but for the most part, it's a lot better. It's a lot flatter. I'm definitely more confident in my ability to carve a nice union on that.
All right, so the person who gave me all these boards gave me 10 this time during this batch. 7 of the 10 were cupped, and I think I got 6 of those out. One was just beyond repair. And, I used a lot of methods depending on what side of the cup. Sometimes I got better results on the top edge where it's rounded more than the bottom where it's like, the cup itself, the bowl. But here's the end pieces. I think they turned out really well, and it's definitely worth trying this before going back to the customer and saying you can't do it. Moving forward, though, I don't think I'll accept any other painted boards. I'll start from zero, knowing that the wood is dry and that my method of applying paint and stain is good.